is full of wonderful things and pleasant surprises. No aspect of life is untouched by psychological concepts. Let's explore what psychology is all about. Psychology is science that revolves around human behavior and mental processes such as learning, memory, etc. It is about understanding and explaining human behavior and feelings, like how do people react, how do people perceive, how do people manipulate things. Moving ahead, let's discuss what does psychology aims at. It aims to understand mental functions, actions, and behaviors. Many times it happens that we get confused with the terms psychology and psychiatry. I would like to add that psychology is not same as psychiatry, because psychology is about understanding human behavior and psychiatry is about abnormal behavior and its treatment. If you like this video, please hit like button and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel for more such interesting and informative videos.